information transfer lesson, okay, whereby we are going to use skimming and scanning skills, okay, to look for information in a text. Okay, skimming, that means you read through the whole text very quickly. Okay, you are not going to read word by word. You read very quickly to get a general idea of what the whole text is about. Okay, that is skimming. And scanning skills is you look at specific details. You read quickly to look for specific information. Like for example, you are given a question. You want to look for the answer to that question. So you quickly scan the text to look for information related to that question. Okay. So this is our first objective. And the second one is we are going to transfer information from a linear text to a non-linear text. So it is linear text, that means it's a reading passage. Okay, you read the passage and you transfer the information either into a table or a graphic organizer. Okay, so for today's lesson, it is going to be a table. All right, okay. All right. Can you decode what's given here to guess the phrase? Okay, everyone try to decode. I give you 1 minute to decode. Whoever gets it first, you can unmute your mic and then what the phrase is.
The Amish.
Pardon?
The Amish.
The Amish, right? The Amish people, right? The Amish. Who was that?
Damien.
Damien, thank you, Damien. Okay, that's the Amish. So what we are doing today is we are going to read a text about Andrew Miller, who is an Amish. Okay, which is on page 75 of your textbook, Pals 2. Now, I have already asked all of you to read the text before the class. Have you all done so? Have all of you read the text? Because I don't want to ask you to read the text here. I want to go straight to the quiz to check your understanding of the reading.
Hear you, but your line is breaking. Like, you know, it's like you're stammering.
Like
Okay.
Transformer.
I can't say much about this first paper, now 28. All right, I'm going to start. Okay. You have 20 seconds to answer.
Where is the question anyways? I can't see.
Top. Amish children can help their parents at home.
Okay. All right, Kashwini is top, followed by Huizin, and third is Putri. Okay. Andrew likes watching television.
Which is true, which is false?
Yeah.
Blue is true.
Obviously,
the
red is true, blue is false lah. Rainbow,
I don't.
rainbow blue is true, red is false.
I can't
you
see
small
the
brain
question.
now. Red is true.
All I have on my screen is your A and C
Yep,
on it.
correct.
Okay.
Wow. I finally got my
Wait,
question
in
right.
last
All right, LY. Who is at LY first?
Send you my picture.
I
Putri.
in last place.
Okay,
Got
next.
all the questions correct. How am I supposed to chase up? This game is rigged.
Mute your mic, please. Mute your mic. Okay, next. This is the last question.
Okay, but
Andrew is going to stay with a British family. True or false? Andrew is going to stay with a British family. 30 seconds. 11, 10, 9, 5. End of the game. Let's see.
Okay, Huyan.
I
No.
can only. I can't even see the question.
Ah. Okay, who are the Amish people? Who would like to respond here? Who are the Amish people? You have read the text, you have done the quiz. Can you tell me
Group
now
of people.
about the Amish people?
A group of people.
The
in
Amish people who live very simply,
Pardon?
often The Amish people is who live very simply, often on farms far away from big cities.
Very good. Okay, they live a very simple life. They live far away from the cities. Okay, anything else? The others?
A group of people live in USA.
Okay, they are a group of people who live in the USA. And okay, what about their lifestyle? Can you tell me more about their lifestyle?
They
Okay,
are old-fashioned.
pardon?
Old-fashioned.
They are old-fashioned and they avoid using a lot of modern gadgets.
All right, good. They are old-fashioned and they avoid using a lot of modern gadgets. Right, okay? Okay, so look here what they are doing. Okay, they are using the very old-fashioned method of getting water from the well. All right, you can see it in the picture here. Okay, and here, how do they travel? How do they travel? Do they use cars like us?
No.
Travel.
Horse and carriage.
No, they use horse.
They use horse and, what do you call this? Horse and?
Carriage.
Yes, horse and carriage. Okay, this is a horse and a carriage. All right, and look, they do farming to earn a living. So a very traditional way of life. Okay, all right. Now we are going to use this text to do information transfer. Okay, information transfer is not something which is new to you. You have already been doing this since Form 1. Okay, all right, just a few guidelines to remind you about information transfer task. Okay, when you write the answer, you only need to write, that means you can write 1 word, you can write 2 words, or you can write 3 words as the answer. Okay, do not go more than 3 words. Okay, and or a number. Okay, or a number here means like the example given. Okay, 1, 25, 300. Okay, these are all numbers. Okay, and 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, that is a phone number. This is what is meant by a number. All right. So always refer to the rubric. The rubric here means the instruction that is given. Okay, when you answer this task, always refer to the rubric. Okay, there should only be 1 answer for every question. Okay, 1 question, 1 answer. Do not write 2 answers for 1 question. Okay, 1 question means 1 answer, 1 mark. Okay, and you are advised to use the words from the text for your answers. So you don't have to crack your brain to look for words. All the words are found in the text. Okay, everything is in the text. All the answers are in the text. You just have to pick the correct words from the text. All right, as your answer. Okay, and when picking the words from the text, make sure you spell the words correctly. You spell the answer correctly. Okay, correct spelling is mandatory. That means correct spelling is compulsory. Okay, especially if the word is found in the text. Okay? And here, use capital letters for proper nouns. So proper nouns must begin with a capital letter. So here in this example, Andrew Miller, capital A for Andrew and capital M for Miller. Okay, and the second one is incorrect. All right, small letter, because it's the name of a person. So it has to be a it has to begin with a capital letter. All right. Okay, are you okay so far? Are you okay so far, class? Yes. All right, good.
Yes.
Okay, next. All right. Okay, let's try to complete this table now. Okay, you have the text with you. Okay, your textbook is with you, page 75. Okay, complete the following table. Choose no more than 3 words and or a number from the text for each answer. Okay, here I have given you 6 questions. Now, in the actual task during the exams, it has 8 questions. Okay. So before we end our lesson, what are the guidelines in answering information transfer questions? Okay, all right, these are the guidelines. Okay, answers should not be more than 3 words. Okay, and answers can be in the form of a number. This is what you mentioned just now. You mentioned correct spelling. You mentioned capital letters for proper nouns. Okay, the one that you all have missed out is one answer for every question.